So guys, welcome to new updates. In this video I'm gonna show you guys how to trade cryptocurrency, how you can do it as a complete beginner, and how you can make money for yourself if you don't know how to trade using Telegram signals. So this right here is my BingX. If you don't have a BingX account, you can use any exchange at all. The signal works on any place and you can trade anywhere as well. Once you go to the bottom, you will find your futures trading, and from there you can access your trading terminal. So let's get into the video. But now once you're in this place, let's say you have the signal, you have to change the pair that you are trading actually. You click on this. Once you click on it, let's say let's use 𝗟𝗜𝗡𝗞. Now let's go back to the Telegram channel. Now as you guys can see the signal 𝗟𝗜𝗡𝗚𝗟𝗡, you can see it is isolated and the leverage is 20x. Alright, let's head back. As you can see, the red icon is isolated, while purple is leverage. Let's click on the red. If you're not on isolated, you click on it, you change the mode. If you're in any other thing, you change it to isolated, not separate. Isolated, you click on OK. Click on your leverage, leave it on 20x, leave it on 20x, and click on OK. Now the price, we have to fill in our end price, our target, which is also take profit, and your stop loss. You have to remember guys that if your take profit is higher than where you entered, it is a long signal. You have to click on long. But if your target is lower than your entry, that means you are selling. A short signal to click on open short instead. So let's quickly fill in all the details. Now as you can see, the entry is 0.0098, stop loss 0.011, and the target, which is also your take profit, is 0.0094. Let's go back to our exchange. So guys, you fill in your 3 points here, and then your take profit and your stop loss if it is off. If this is off, TPSL. If you see it on off, you have to click on, and then the target is also your take profit. Remember, your target is also your take profit. Stop loss. And then if you are using USDT, yours will be showing USDT. Just click this to use all your USDT, or you just manually input the amount you want to risk. Let's say you are trading with $100 and you want to risk just $10. Now this is a short signal. Why? The entry point is higher than the take profit. The price you're entering is higher than your take profit. So you click on short. But if it is a long signal, the entry point will be lower, but the take profit will be higher than the price you're entering. So you click on long. And you have to make sure you set all these up so that the trade will execute by itself automatically when the price gets to your target. And also guys, your stop loss, remember to set your stop loss as well. And you can always take profits wherever you are comfortable. You can always take profit wherever you are comfortable. Let me show you something right now. Now on any exchange you are using at all, if you want to close a trade, you are going to click on this close right here. Once you click on it, you are going to select this to close everything. You're going to close everything, and then you click on OK. Automatically, you can see you have closed your trade. That's how you take a profit. Wherever you're comfortable with your profit, that's how you take a profit. Now guys, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and then turn on your notifications so when I drop a new video, you'll be notified. I'll see you in the next video.